Hi everyone, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I decided to film a Halloween get ready with me. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then please keep watching. So I hope everyone had a happy Halloween. I didn't have time to get a Halloween graphic out in time due to work. We've been really busy. So I decided to do this video instead. So this is my ultimate favorite holiday. My family and we go all out on this day. So from the decor to Halloween night, we just absolutely love it. I am not a makeup professional. I just went with what worked best for me and what I've learned through the years. And I was also inspired by a lot of clown makeup that was done by others. So right now I just outlined with white eyeliner where I wanted to place the latex. I applied one thin layer and then placed some ripped tissue, or you can use toilet paper. I then placed another layer of latex on top of that. I also tried to blend out the latex to be thinner so it would just blend more into my skin. This process is what took me the longest, so just be prepared for that. I would say this whole makeup took about 3 hours to do. I wish I had used the white latex instead of the flesh color just so I could blend it better with the foundation. For the foundation, I used Becca and a damp beauty blender. After the foundation, I just set it with some powder. Next up, do very carefully. I use small scissors and cut some slits. Don't try to make it too perfect. You want it to look like some skin is hanging from your face. So I cut it sort of jagged. You could also stretch the latex a bit as well. I used some dark burgundy eyeshadow to give it a bruised look. I used some concealer on the eyes so the eyeshadow color will pop more. I used the Sephora palette and used a light brown shade in my crease. The contacts that I used are from Camo Eyes, and I had to put them in off camera. I used a yellow eyeshadow from Sephora and applied that on the inner half of my eyes. Next, I took a small angled brush with black eyeshadow and drew the lines that I want. I went ahead and darkened my eyebrows as well. I used a liquid eyeliner to draw over the lines, and then back to the Sephora palette and blended out the black. Then I used a pencil eyeliner for my waterline. Using a burgundy pink shadow from Sephora, I deepened the bruising on the latex. For the lips, I used Kylie's Dead of Night matte lip kit and then black eyeshadow for inside the cuts. Again, please be careful when cutting the latex. I then used some red paint that was part of a kit that came from Spirit Halloween and stippled all over the latex. For the nose, I wish I had done a red nose, but I guess I'll remember that for next year. But I went back to Kylie's lip kit and just drew that in. I'm going to quickly snap to having my wig on that I bought from Halloween Express. Next is the fun part. Using some gel blood, I smeared that on the inside cuts and then used liquid blood, which I accidentally squirted on my table and got it all over my makeup brushes. So be careful when doing that. Have fun with the blood and use it to cover any spots like the seams of the latex. Last minute, I decided to use some blue eyeshadow to blend from the black to the yellow since I had some blue on my costume and I wanted to give the makeup more color. Alright guys, here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will put everything that I used in the description below in case you want to do this Halloween look next year. If you want to see the full look with the costume, be sure to head over to my Instagram and check that out. Until next time, thanks for watching.